Okay, here's the skinny. Back here, this is Coventry. And back here, we're behind. I'll find out that street name in a minute. This is what we got back here. There's a 6-inch clean out. This bad dad goes straight. This hill adds another 3 to 4 feet to the dig. This clean out is 9 feet deep. And we need to go to this route here. But the sewer itself goes 130 some odd feet. The kicker is, okay, and it goes here. I pulled that 10.5 feet. And there is it looks like a 4-foot 45 going into that, like a 4-inch drop, but it's on a 45, so it's the slope. We don't have to worry about going this far, but when I call Miss Dig, I'm gonna have them flag all this off. So we're gonna have gas, which I'm sure comes from this street. I guess that's not important, the name of that street, but until for Miss Dig it will be. They're gonna have gas, power, these green boxes, so I'm gonna have cable. My hopes is the green boxes like feed these buildings and feeds those buildings. That one feeds that building and this building. And it's common sense, but it ain't common much. It's just a stupid damn hill. And the PVC, they just put a clean out in. So it's 9 feet deep. We gotta go 30 feet. I'd do it all, but I'm not sure where the power comes in at on these buildings, so Miss Dig has to be called. And I'm gonna have to draw up a blueprint for them so they know what to flag for me. All right, this is the party.